Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to download and install the Stremio streaming app on your computer, for example, on your Windows computer. So let's get started. In the first step, guys, head over to Google Chrome or to any other browser and type in Stremio in the search here, and next select that entry here, downloads. And after that, select your device or operating system. As you can see, Stremio can be used on Windows as well as on other operating systems like, for instance, Linux or Mac OS. For demonstration purposes, I will download it on my Windows computer, on my Windows 10 operating system. And next, head over to your output folder where you saved the installation launcher, launch the installation, wait for the installation to be finished. That shouldn't take your computer more than a few seconds. And once the installation has been completed, you will be given the opportunity to launch the Stremio app on your computer. And if you do this for the first time, guys, they will also ask you to sign up for an account, for example, using your Facebook account. But that's something we will cover in another tutorial video. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you later.